Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be vlogging. I'm starting a vlog for this whole weekend and I'm not doing anything special, but I just thought that I could take you along with to some of the places that I'm going. Also, I think I'm also going to take you along on Monday because I'm doing something exciting. Oh, something just went in my eye. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know that this kameez that I'm wearing, I don't usually wear it because my darzi basically destroyed it. And thank you, आपका बड़ा शुक्रिया. वैसे ही मैं कभी दर्जी से कपड़े नहीं सिलवाती इसी वजह से कि दर्जियों के पीछे भागना पड़ता है, और आपने मेरा और दिल ख़राब कर दिया. अब मेरा बिल्कुल भी दिल नहीं चाह रहा कि मैं किसी दर्जी से जाके कपड़े सिलवाऊँ, यू नो, लाइक बिल्कुल ही मेरा मूड ऑफ हो गया. Anyway, so I'm going and I'm just showing you my face through the ring light because the room ki light is like really not so great. So I thought I would just take you along with me to wherever I'm going. I don't know if I'll be filming much over there, but I for sure will try my best to show you the food and make you jealous. You want to be part of the vlog? Too late, you're already part of the vlog. I am where I was supposed to be and I had food. I forgot to show you guys, but I can show you cake. I know I'm really late. I'm here with my little cousin. I don't know if she wants to be a part of the vlog or not. She does not. She usually doesn't like being in the camera, but I feel like she interrupted my previous shot, so she might have appeared, but just know that I did not have her consent. But the mysterious cousin. I'm thinking of asking my cute, adorable, beautiful sister to help me film a video for my Instagram. And I don't know if she's gonna agree, you know. Will you film an unready with me? Sure. Oh my god, you're the best. I love you. She hates me.
आखिरी क्या लगाएंगे इसका? नहीं ना, इतना बड़ा है। ये तो दुपट्टे के साथ है। निशा, जाना मासे मिल रही है।
Fries दे रहे हैं. Oh wow, there's like a shit over here. Can you guys see? This is Khayabane Rahat, Defense Karachi. और ये जो shit है ना, ये मेरा पूरा vlog interrupt कर रहा है. Need to ask my mom to get this shit removed. Focus नहीं हो रहा. Have you guys been here? You've probably, a lot of people who are watching have probably been here. This is main Rahat commercial. So basically आज मैंने पूरा दिन vlog इसीलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि मैं honestly कुछ कर नहीं रही थी ऐसा कि vlog किया जाए. So मैं बोल रही थी and the guy came and gave me anar juice, and no, he did not just bring it out of love. He brought it because my mom asked him to. Thanks mom, I really appreciate it. It's my unhealthy
My
dinner.
दूध पत्ती.
Yeah. Hey guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? So I went to the bazaar last night and then there was nothing else to vlog. So today I'm also, it's a lazy Sunday and I'm really not doing anything special. If I do go somewhere or go run errands or whatever, I will take you along with me. That's that. Today I was thinking of trying out the Fair & Lovely BB cream. Maybe I could just try it on this vlog and share my thoughts. लेकिन let's see, उसकी controversy वाले part के बारे में बात करते हैं. Actually पाकिस्तान में तो it's not a controversy. यहाँ पे तो it's quite normal to be using something that claims to make your skin tone fair. I haven't tried it properly yet. I once started filming a video, but then my phone started heating up. Yes, I make videos with my phone. तो अब जो है मैंने सोचा कि मैं ट्राई कर ही लूँ ऑन कैमरा, लेकिन मैं प्रॉपर वीडियो नहीं बनाती, इसी व्लॉग में इंक्लूड कर देती हूँ, स्पेशली इसमें ऑलरेडी कुछ खास कंटेंट नहीं है. सॉरी, माई पावर बैंक जस्ट फेल. What really put me off about them was A, there's only one shade, B, it's foundation plus fairness cream, which is totally unacceptable, but I'm only trying it because people are raving about it, so I'm like, why the hell not. ये है फेयर एंड लवली की जो है बीबी क्रीम, इसका डब्बा है. I bought the small one, छोटी वाली इसलिए खरीदी क्योंकि by the way, I noticed in the previous snaps my brows looked so horrible. खैर, I'll fix it. Actually, I don't really do my eyebrows when I'm going out. But what the hell is going on? अच्छा छोड़े, regardless, मैं कैमरा कहीं सेट कर देती हूँ कोशिश करके. It's fine. Okay, and then I'll just try this on the camera and tell you my first impressions. So my mom just called. Sorry, I'm so obsessed with this Tapal green tea. बहुत अच्छी है. Anyway, so my mom just called and she said कि चलो डॉर्मन मॉल चलते हैं. So वो आ रही हैं 30 minutes में मेरे ख्याल से, कहीं गई नहीं है. So we'll go to the mall then. वहाँ से गप्पा घोटाला खाऊंगी. एंड फ़िलहाल तो मैं ये टेस्ट कर लेती हूँ, और अगर ये ग्रे होने लगे इसका मतलब है दिस इज़ इवन टू लाइट फॉर मी. सो आई थिंक मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लिए. ओह वाओ, ओह इसमें तो वाकई कवरेज है. पर मैंने लगा बहुत ज़्यादा लिया है. चलिए ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से लगा लूँ, क्या करूँ. नेक के लिए तो ये लाइट होगी. मेरी नेक जो है ना, एक अजाब है मेरा नेक, मेरी नेक व्हाटएवर, मेरी गर्दन. ओके स्मेल्स लाइक लोशन. What the hell, dude? Okay, I think I'm gonna get a beauty blender.
2 hours later.
It has blended and I'm about to show you कि क्या हुआ है इससे. स्किन पे तो ठीक लग रहा है. हाथ से ब्लेंड करने से इट वाज बेटर, ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से स्ट्रीकी हो रहा था, विच इज़ नॉट नॉर्मल. दिस इज़ माई एक्चुअल स्किन टोन. दिस इज़ माई नेक. इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस की वजह से थोड़ी डार्क है. सो नेक पे अब ज़्यादा लगाना पड़ेगा देखने के लिए कि ये डार्कनेस छुपती है कि नहीं, बिकॉज़ अगर मैं फेस को डार्क कर देती हूँ फिर नेक के साथ मैच करने के लिए फिर ये जो जगह होती है ये पूरी वाइट वाइट हो रही होती है. सो दैट डजंट लुक गुड. ओके, ये है मेरी स्किन. इट्स लाइक अ लाइट टू मीडियम कवरेज एंड नेक को भी थोड़ा सा इसने गोरा कर दिया है, बट इट्स नॉट अ ड्रास्टिक डिफरेंस ऑब्वियसली. आई डोंट इवन एक्सपेक्ट दैट टू हैपन, बट आई गिव यू माई फाइनल थाट्स. अभी मैंने लगाई, आप खुद ही जज कर लें कैसी लग रही है. बाकी मेकअप करके आती हूँ, फिर मॉल चलती हूँ, काम वाम करके आती हूँ, और आपको चेक इन करती रहूँगी, देखती रहूँगी कि कैसी है, कैसी लग रही है और किस तरह परफॉर्म कर रही है. आई एम ऑन द वे टू द मॉल नाउ एंड माई मॉम्स विथ मी. मॉम, डू यू वांट टू बी इन द व्लॉग?
No, I look really bad.
Okay, when we get to the mall, like things are better, maybe then. Ooh, we found a spot. Okay, you guys, so sorry, I have a hairy arm. I'm at the mall now, and this is how my skin looks. Not too bad, actually. I got it. This is my Gappa Gotala. This is my mom's KFC. The KFC actually looks quite tempting. Have you guys tried Golden Chick? It's also very good, by the way. Anyway, so okay, I'll just talk like this so that it's easier to talk and not scream. This actually really looks good. Like my skin, I think, looks really good, and it's matte, but it's, I mean, not clinging on to dry patches or whatever. So that's great. That's my update so far. sorry for looking weird. Guess what my mom agreed to? If you're following me on Instagram, you know that I've been wanting to get my nose pierced, and we're finally getting it done, and I'm so excited. So pretty. I'm buying this. Please don't give me copyright. 3,000. बहुत दर्द होती है. दर्द हुई? भैया दर्द हुई? Oh my god, you guys. I can't believe my mom just let me do that. This is one thing that she was always like, nay, 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 and then she let me do it. My mom's getting hers like redone. Now my mom can be in the vlog. Mom, show them your new piercing. We're twinning. Also, I just met a follower. Shout out to Ikra Khan. Thank you for coming up to me. I love it. I feel like crying. Okay, you guys, करवा लिया मैंने नोज़ पियर्स जिद कर के और फाइनली अब जो है I'm so happy. मैंने फेयर एंड लवली की बीबी क्रीम अभी भी लगाई हुई है. It's still on and we are still doing the wear test and I won't lie, my skin looks amazing. मैंने कब की लगाई हुई है? I think it's been a few hours now. Like, let me think. I think 3 बजे की लगाई हुई है. अभी कितने बज रहे हैं? Let me check. अभी 7:30 बज रहे हैं. So it's been about 4 to 5 hours and life is enjoyed. बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. I'm really really happy. Actually, I think 3 बजे से पहले लगाई थी because 3 o'clock तो हम डॉल्मेन मॉल गए हैं. So that's really amazing. I'm so happy and मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है ये BB cream. Plus my neck looks very normal. It doesn't look grey. Face doesn't look grey, but I'm so disappointed that this doesn't have more shades. Please Fair and Lovely इसमें से fairness वाला aspect निकाल दें और एक shade range निकाल दें क्योंकि इसका formula बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत light है. Feels like I'm not wearing anything on my skin. I really really like it, but please जो हमारी कंट्री की डार्कर स्किन गर्ल्स हैं उनका भी ख्याल करें जिनका नेचुरली कम्प्लेक्शन वैसा है और दे डू वांट टू चेंज देयर कम्प्लेक्शन. व्हाई वुड एवरीबडी वांट टू बी वाइट? व्हाई शुड एवरीवन वांट टू बी वाइट और फेयर? आई एम नॉट वेरी फेयर. आई एम on the lighter end of the spectrum, but why should it be for only girls like me, and why should girls with a more tan complexion be left out? Why? Please, it's a request. Please make more shades and remove the fairness aspect. Just make it your BB cream and it will sell so much, I'm sure, because we lack inclusivity and diversity. बहुत हम lack करते हैं इस मुल्क में and we don't need huge brands to be making this kind of mistake. Please introduce more shades and remove the fairness aspect. Just let people enjoy your formula. Let everyone enjoy your formula without having to worry about the harmful effects of fairness ingredients and all of those things. So I would love that and I would recommend you to all of my followers if you guys would just add more shades to your range because this formula is amazing. Just look at my face. Coverage भी है और heavy भी नहीं है और मतलब ग्रे भी नहीं लग रही हूँ मैं. ओके गाइस, सो आई थिंक ये मेरी आखिरी शक्ल देख रहे हैं आप. आखिरी before bed. I just watched this movie called Sierra Burgess is a Loser. It's on Netflix and काफ़ी अच्छी लगी मुझे. It was really cute but it kind of gave me Mean Girls vibes. Comment if you think the same. This movie on Netflix called Sierra Burgess is a Loser. क्या आपको भी इसने Mean Girls vibes दिए कि नहीं? If you have not watched Mean Girls, what are you doing with your life? Please Mean Girls जाके देखें. It's like a classic at this point. अब क्या देखूँ मैं Netflix पे, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. Also, I'm gonna let you guys in on the whole experience with this. वैसे तो when they were doing it ना, तो सिर्फ जब डाले थे तो काफ़ी दर्द हुई मुझे, but like right now it's just stinging, कोई ख़ास वो नहीं हो रही. Don't know if I already mentioned that, but there's that. And also सुबह तक पता चलेगा कि क्या सीन है. एंड अल्लाह ना करे इन्फेक्शन हो, क्योंकि बहुत डर लग रहा है मुझे इन्फेक्शन से, बस इट्स वेरी कॉमन. सो लेट्स होप इट डजंट हैपन. watching Zoella, watching Zoella, and I was watching a vlog and I was like, why not do your hair? So I just curled my hair, and the curls are pretty much gonna be gone in a bit, because I'm not really gonna spray them or anything, but I can enjoy them for the moment, because why not? Rise and shine, everybody. Today I'm at Miska Studio Clifton, Karachi, and Miska was kind enough to have me here today, and just look at how beautiful her whole interior is. What I'm getting done today is the spa, OPI, mani and pedi, and I just love their massage chairs, and honestly, everything is so great. The whole environment, the whole vibe, this whole procedure, since I'm speaking in the past now, it lasted like, I think, 3 hours or something. I mean, there was a hot stone massage. They filed my nails really well. I loved the whole process so much. मेरा प्रोटीन जो है बालों में लगा हुआ था while that was happening. फिर उन्होंने मेरा ब्लो ड्राई किया, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, and they gave me like I forgot what Miska told me what the name was for this blow dry, but it's like something with lovely volume, and amazing. How cute is this whole station? I love the whole idea and the whole interior. Everything is amazing. So you guys, this is the brains. I don't even know if that's the right way to say it, but like behind this entire place.
The brains.
The brains.
Hi guys.
Yeah, this is Miska, but I call her Manur because मुझे पहले से
Because
आदत
she
है.
knew me before, like.
Yeah, so मुझे पहले से आदत है, that's why I can't call her Miska. It's kind of weird to me. Anyway, so yeah, I'm so proud of her. I love this
I'm
whole
coming here
place.
so everyone can look at you.
Yeah, no, they don't have to lift. बहुत देख लिया मुझे. So yeah, thank you so much for having me.
No worries. Come again soon.
Yeah, and you guys need to come here as well. Okay guys, I'm back home and I'm having my first meal of the day. जी हाँ, मैं खा के नहीं गई थी. वहाँ मैं सोचा था मैं कुछ ऑर्डर कर लूँगी, बट मुझे अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि इतनी देर लग जाएगा. उससे चलो खा लूँगी. पता ही नहीं चला. अब मैं घर आई हूँ तो बहुत भूख लग रही है. आई थिंक 7-8 तो बज गए. आई हैवंट ईटन अ बाइट ऑल डे. रात का खाया हुआ है, सिर्फ पानी पी के गई थी सुबह. सो अब मैं चाय पी रही हूँ, आधा कप विथ लेस चीनी, and bread खा रही हूँ. I know I shouldn't be eating it, but I'm really hungry. And I'm having some makai, like the corn that's like, you know. I had such a wonderful experience at Miska's. Thank you so much, Manur, for having me there, for inviting me for this spa day. It means the world to me. She did not invite me as like an influencer. She invited me as a friend, and she was like, "Aao, chakkar lagao," all of that jazz. I've been seeing this girl work her ass off for years. I remember she started from a small room. She had her tiny little studio, and from that she's gone to a full 2-story house, which is her salon, and it's this top class. It's amazing. I'm so bloody proud of her. I cannot even explain to you how proud I am of this girl. And she's only my age. She's built an empire at this young age, and I'm just so proud of her and I wish her all the best for the future and I hope कि इसको और success मिले, ये world wide मशहूर हो जाए और बहुत अच्छे अच्छे ख्वाब हैं मेरे मिस्का के लिए. Also, let me know if you can think of like a video idea or something that I can convince her to do with me. I can try to convince her. Can't guarantee, but कोशिश तो की जा सकती है ना anyway. So while I was at Miska's, this really huge tragedy happened. मैं अपना फ़ोन रिफ़्रेश कर रही थी अपना मैनी पेडी कराते हुए और एकदम से मैंने देखा कि मेरे इंस्टाग्राम ने मुझसे एक वेरिफिकेशन कोड मांगा है. मैंने डाल दिया. फिर क्या हुआ, एकदम से मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट गायब होने लग गए. आज ये क्या हो रहा है, ग्लिच होगा. रिफ़्रेश किया सफाई चेक किया, जाके चेक किया, 200 पोस्ट मेरे गायब हो गए, अभी तक गायब हैं. आई डोंट नो वेयर द हेल दे आर. आई एम सो freaking upset. I'm like actually so upset. Like I worked really hard and then this happens. Like, why does Instagram do this? And why is there not a system in place yet for things like these happening to people who are working so hard? मैं बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करती हूँ. So if you want to still check out my Instagram with 200 less posts, please do. ZENIAMK, Zenia MK मेरा Instagram का यूज़र नेम है. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you, bye.